Okay, this is gold and silver. That's the 4 hours chart of gold and silver. I told you if it continues to pull higher, we're going to opt for this option, that we will have 1 ending here, 2 ending here, and that's running up. And of course the pull higher has to be maintained to keep this wave count valid. Okay, so that's a big deal, as it looks here. That we basically launched into a third wave on this scale. The minor subdivisions do open up quite a few options. Let me see if I go to the 60 minutes. We'll have a look here at the 60 minutes. You see, we may have terminated. That could be taken as a fourth wave, with this being 1, 2, that's 3, 4, 5. If that's correct, then we could see some sort of short-term volatility hitting towards 1272, and then a rebound back will put things on track, back on track for the bulls. What should not happen, of course, is a breakdown back towards 1260, 1260. That's way too much weakness, and would raise the prospects of either continuous correction or just something that will take it a lot lower, and I may have missed something. Okay, so take this into account. A breakdown under 1260, 1265 is bad news for the longs. That's just too much weakness all of a sudden. That's no good. That's no good. It may send gold back to retest 1240 area, and then it'll come back, okay, or may mean that it'll go a lot lower. I'll assess the situation as it develops. That's the situation currently with the 60 minutes scale. Here's silver. That's the 2 hours chart of silver priced in US dollars. We've taken this as likely one. I told you if it continues to power ahead, that will be at the end of the 5-wave run that began way back here. So that's our 1. You see, it's not terribly confirmed, but that is the most likely option, the best option at this point. That's our 1. That's our 2. We require, I mean, the wave count here requires further strength, requires further pulling ahead above 18.6, and that will turn into a reasonably clear 1, 2 right here. If it gives us this idealized correction, you see 1, 2, and then up it goes, will be in the midst of a 3 of 3 of potentially 3. So that would see silver advancing quite quickly. Okay, any breakdown in gold and silver, I would say in the case of silver right here it's 18. Breaking under 18 should tell you that this is not 1, 2, but this should be taken in a good case. It should be taken as part of a corrective phase. Okay, in a bad case, of course, we could see it breaking down a lot lower. But right now, that does not appear to be the likely scenario.